So for now, the gadget is one that which you need is the feeder, the outsider feeder. You use the smaller bottle, for example. You see that bottle there? Let me show you. So you see this bottle, this one is the one we use for, you put the sucrose sugar which is mixed with warm water, then you tie it like this. Then the sugar is gonna go inside, then the bees eat. All right, that's what you need. This one you need it when you are going to start keeping bees. Then another gadget that which you need is called another gadget that which you need is called the hive tool. This hive tool, it helps you to remove, for example, if I've got a brooder here and a super here, and then if they are together, I need to put here to open them like this, like this, like this. Also, if the beehive is open, but because it is stuck, I can open it from here, and then I push, and then I push. Then when I push, I can be able to remove the frame. So the hive tool, it is used to help you open the hives that which are stuck together and the frames which are stuck together. Yeah, so that is the purpose of the hive tool. All right, what else? Okay, did I tell them about this? That when you are catching bees, when you are done to catch the bees, you need to have this. When you are taking it out from the tree, you need to close the bees where they are coming from. Then you close it like that, and then you go down nicely. If you don't close, the bees will attack you, but sometimes the bees might not attack you. Bees attack you in the form of a defense. If you are not a threat, you don't show any threat to them, they will not attack you. So but for the sake of the safety of your bees, you close here, and then everything is gonna be fine. Right? So Chigundu family, Celebrate Faith family, we are ready to keep bees.
Jeremiah, go put that feeder in the box. Go put that feeder in the box. Give it to Tata.
So the last gadget that which you need is a jacket. So as you can see, this is a new jacket, not being used. It's a brand new one. This jacket, you need it when the bees they have multiplied. When the bees they have multiplied, or even if you are scared of bees. So this is a brand new jacket, as you can see. We bought it because our bees they have multiplied, and we're gonna be showing you our bees. So this is it. So this is it. As you can see, this is my size, extra large, and then this is my cup. All right, I'm opening it. continue. My family is not gonna be seeing me, but they will be watching me from the mirror. And then you go down, you start to do your business. After that, you take it out. And another gadget that which you need gloves. These are called the PVC gloves. These gloves are very nice in a way that they are washable. You can wash them once you are working with the honey, and then it become messy here. You can be able to wash it. So I'm going to come. Then I'm checking my bees. After checking my bees, I'm full of honey. Alright. After checking my bees, I can go and wash it. Alright. So these are the gadgets that which you need to start a beehive, to keep busy. Sometimes it depends the environment where you are. This is stuff you can. Sometimes it depends the environment where you are. Sometimes it depends the environment where you are. Sometimes you can do a DIY of these things. You can do your own catcher traps. You see, this is a beetle. Come and show them. This is a beetle. You see, this beetle is very dangerous. Very dangerous to bees. It can kill bees, and then you make losses. Beetles is a very serious thing. You need to deal with it immediately in the beginning of keeping bees. You don't have to wait. You don't have to buy your bees or to get your bees and then keep them there and then the beetles come and kill it. So beetles can affect a lot of bees, and you have to fight it straightforward in the beginning. All right. Thank you very much for watching these videos. Thank you very much. We are still gonna show more videos. Remember, celebrate faith, subscribe, like, comment, and more videos are coming for bees.